proper noun, common noun. All right. And you have taken مذكر والمؤنث, that's masculine and feminine. And another type of nouns are singular plural that you have taken مفرد مثنى والجمع. So almost all the types of noun you have studied. Today we are going to take the pronoun that's also a type of a noun. If someone asks you what's pronoun, definitely you are gonna say that, yeah, just a moment. Okay. You will say that pronoun is a noun that you are using instead of a noun. For example, I say Saliha is a student. She wakes up early in the morning. She has 2 books. All right. This is her car, for example. So instead of saying Saliha wakes up early in the morning, Saliha has 2 books. This is Saliha's car. Instead of the name, I am using her and she. So these two are pronouns. Tamam? Now let me show you, just a moment. Okay. So let me show you the what I was saying, the Arabic word for your pronouns. All right. So here we are. The Arabic word for the pronouns are الضمائر. الضمائر. It's the plural of ضمير. ضمير and the plural is ضمائر. Whenever somebody say ضمائر, it means pronouns. All right. Now, in Arabic, ضمائر are divided into 2. One is متصلة, all right, and other is منفصلة. منفصلة and متصلة. I always ask my students, no need to go in so deep with the names, but the benefit of understanding the name, you will remember the rule. You will remember the reason of naming. So متصل comes from وصل. The original is وصل, اتصال, connection. تمام؟ الاتصال منقطع. The connection is disconnected. طيب متصل وصل. تمام. متصلة means is a pronoun that connect. Just like in English, you say his and her. If I say his, it has no meaning. I say her. Similarly, in Arabic, the examples are who, ha, ka, na, ji. You say teacher are taking out words from her mouth, meaningless. All right? That's why it is called muttasil. Yani they give meaning when they connect with any other word. I say ka, you will not understand. But if I say ismuka, your name, now you understood. Ji, طيب أقول مثلا كتابي. Now you understood something. All right? So one of the type of the ضمائر are متصلة. تمام. And other, in English, you can remember it by what we say in English, connected pronoun, noun. Connected pronoun or any name easy for you, you can remember that. طيب, ضمائر منفصلة is disconnected. It comes from فصل. فصل. فصل also called to the classroom. فصل is also called to the season. Why? Because one season is there, then it disconnect, another season comes. It part the year into 4. You got this point. First is something that part as what's your سنة يعني season, your year. طيب 1 2 3 4 4 فصول, 4 seasons are there. Similarly, your classroom is called فصل. الفصل الأول, الفصل الثاني, الفصل الثالث. It parts your educational year, your educational journey. طيب grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, it's also known as فصل. طيب. So فصل means something is disconnected. ضمائر منفصلة are the pronouns that doesn't need to connect. Like أنت, you. When I say أنت or أنتي, you understood? She is talking to me something. Now she is gonna say something. If I say أنا, oh, so you understood teacher is going to talk something about her. طيب هو. Okay, so she's gonna talk about somebody who is not here. All right. So according to connection and disconnection, the pronoun is divided into two. So first we are going to take ضمائر منفصلة and then ضمائر متصلة. So my dear students, today's lesson is easy, but you need to understand it very well because your coming lesson depend on it. Your verbs, any chart, present or past, it depends on your pronoun. So the first thing you need to know is first person and the second person and the third person. In Arabic, it's known as غائب, مخاطب, and متكلم. تمام؟ Who is متكلم؟ أنا متكلمة. I'm speaking. من الكلام. The one who speak. متكلم. In English, it's known as the first person. So you say in English, I and we. مخاطب is the second person. You are مخاطب, the one who is listening. For example, I say you, you too, you all right? And the third person is called غائب, the one who is not present here. For example, you say he and she and they. تمام? So according to the person, it's divided into three columns. The pronoun divide into three columns, first, second, third. غائب, مخاطب, and متكلم. All right. Now let's start it. Start making the chart. You need not to make, just understand it, my dear students. I'm going to send you the chart of it. So you understood? Now I can write in Arabic. غائب, مخاطب, and متكلم. All right, we got it. Now in Arabic, in each column, there will be 6 pronouns. Why 6? 3 for male. أحسنتي. 3 for male and 3 for female. مذكر. 3 for مذكر and 3 for مؤنث. Now the next question is, why 3? Why 3 for مذكر?
Singular, dual, and plural.
Perfect, mashallah. طيب, singular, dual, and plural. So now let's start writing. The first is هو. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو. طيب يعني he. قل هو الله أحد. He is one. طيب هو, I say هو خالد. من هو? Who is he? طيب for 2 we say هما. تمام. For more than 2 you say هم. هو, هما, هم. He, they two, they all. تمام. For example, I want to say they two are students. هما طالبان. They all are engineers. هم مهندسون. طيب. Now for the girl, I don't have much space to write in a straight line. I will write like this way. هي, she. هي فاطمة. تمام. She is فاطمة. And then I will say هما. So in dual, there is no difference between مذكر والمؤنث. هما خالد وأحمد. هما فاطمة وخديجة. طيب. And for the plural, you say هن. هي. هما هن. هن is the all. هن معلمات. هن طالبات. طيب. So رضي الله عليهن. May Allah be pleased with them. رضي الله عنهم ورضي الله عنهن. أنا صحابيات. تمام. مخاطب you say أنت. أنت محمد. You are محمد. طيب. أنت طبيب في مستشفى ابن سينا. تمام. You are a doctor in hospital. أنتما you too. أنتم you all. أنتم. طيب. أنتم هل أنتم مهندسون are you engineers أو هل أنتم سائقون are you the drivers أنتما you too. طيب. Now let me show you the female version. It's أنتي. أنتي فرزانة طالبة اللغة العربية. For 2 أنتما. أنتما فرزانة وعطية. طيب أنتن طالبات للغة العربية. أنتن. تمام. If you remember the lyric of pronoun, learning verbs are very easy. See, أنت أقول مثلا أنت كتبتي، أنت كتبتا، أنتما كتبتما، أنتم كتبتم، أنتن كتبتن. The lyric of past tense and pronoun are the same. Now, متكلم is the first person, the one who speak. I say أنا. And if we do مثلا أنا معلمة. طيب نحن معلمتان، نحن معلمات. There is no difference between two and more. If two people wants to say we are engineers نحن مهندسان. تمام. If so many wants to say we are engineers, they will say نحن مهندسون. نحن مهندسون ونحن مهندسان. Similarly, there is no difference between masculine and feminine. مثلا أقول نحن مهندستان، نحن مهندسات. طيب. So that's it. This is the chart of your pronoun. There is no يعني something to understand in it more. تمام. Only you
Yes.
need to learn.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yeah.
In a third person, in ghaib column, in English we had he, she, and they. But in Arabic we have written only pronouns for he and she. What about they?
Yeah, it is. يا صليحة. See, هو is he. هما they two. هم they all. هي.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, I
that's why.
understand. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
and similarly هي هما هن for female. Yeah.
Mhm.
All right. Okay, now, so you understood, Alhamdulillah, definitely we are going to do the exercises. Now, I want to show you ضمائر متصلة. You have taken منفصلة. Now we have ضمائر متصلة. يعني the pronoun that cannot use without connection. It has to be connect with something. All right. So I have to make for you its chart as well now. Okay, so the same chart will continue. غائب and مخاطب ومتكلم. تمام. First person, second person and the third person. طيب الآن نقول مثلا. طيب let me write in a way. Yeah. Who, his. طيب هو خالد. He is خالد. هذا كتابه. It's his book. طيب who means his. Just like in English you say his. Or some people also call it possessive pronoun. It gives you the possession, يعني something belongs to him. Who. For two, you say هما. كتابهما. Yes, I'm writing them, but just for your understanding. But they cannot spoke or written without joining with other word. It has to be joined. اسمه. طيب. Similarly, you say له الأسماء الحسنى. It has the beautiful. He has the beautiful names. هما and هم. كتابهم. بيتهم. Their house. والدهم. Their father. طيب. Now let me show you for the female. You say ها. قد سمع الله. قد سمع الله قول التي تجادلك في زوجها. Allah heard the one who was fighting about her husband. زوجها. طيب. For two, no difference between masculine and feminine. هما. ها and هما. And for the plural, it's هن. Yeah. So we came to know in ضمائر متصلة and منفصلة, there is not a big difference في الغائب. تمام. هما, هن, هما and هم, they are same. We can connect them also and we can use them as a separate also. I want to say their house بيتهم. For example, I want to say they are children. هم أولاد هذا بيتهم. تمام. Or I can say مثلا they are doctors and this is their clinic. طيب هن طبيبات وهذه عيادتهن. هذه عياداتهن. تمام. Now let's see مخاطب. In مخاطب we say ك.
Ma'am, the ones that you have written with red are female gender, and the ones you have written with blue are the male genders. Am I right?
Exactly. نعم أحسن. Yeah, صح. Is it like نعم? It's like this way. طيب. Now ك means yours. ك. مثلا أقول يا خالد هذا ابنك. It's your son. طيب ك. For two, I'm gonna say كما. ك. كما and كم. It's connecting yours. For two and for all. السلام عليكم. Peace be upon you. السلام على and كم. So you join it عليكم. السلام عليكما. السلام عليك. When you go to روضة, you say السلام عليك يا رسول الله. تمام. For female, you say كي. طيب. هذا كتابك يا صليحة. This is your book. طيب. For two, you're gonna say كما. No difference in masculine and the feminine. For plural, كنا. السلام عليكن. طيب. أو أقول يا طالبات هذه حصتكن. It's your class. طيب. أو أقول مثلا هذا وقتكن. It's your time. تمام. Now متكلم G. You have letter يا. اسمي. طيب. أو أقول كتابي زوجي. طيب. أو أقول مثلا بلدي يا. Then you have نا. For two people you are using نا, and also so many people say نا. For example, you say التحيات لله والصلوات والطيبات السلام عليك أيها النبي ورحمة الله وبركاته والسلام علينا. طيب. وعلى عباد الله الصالحين. On us. طيب. For two people, for example, Khalid and Zaid want to say this is our father. يعني we two. هذا أبونا. طيب. So in Quran, the daughter of Ayyub عليه السلام قالت أبونا شيخ كبير. They were two women. They told أبونا شيخ كبير. Our father is a big man, old aged man. طيب. And plural also say نا. طيب. كتابنا مدرستنا. طيب. وهكذا. So that's it. My dear students, there is no difference between male and female in متكلم. Both are same. Okay, so now it's the time to do it practically. طيب. Let me bring for you quickly some. Yeah. Okay, let's do that. Bismillah.
Ma'am,
I'm writing.
I was just asking ضمائر وصل and متصلة and منفصلة. In Quran we have مد متصل مد منفصل.
Yeah, this is something else. Yeah, for
This is something else. Okay.
Yeah. See, my dear, the mad, this, yeah, you are correct, mashallah. We have mad muttasila and mad munfasila. These rules are connected with tajweed. طيب. These are the tajweed rules, يعني how to read. If someone don't do this, the meaning is not going to change.
Okay.
All right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's the reading rules. Inshallah, if we get time, definitely we can talk about it. Yes. All right. So, okay, I can start with Farzana. طيب. I'm giving you a sentence. So I'm going to tell you what you need to do. تمام. طيب. So now, my dear Farzana, instead of a name, use a pronoun. Use ضمير. طيب, my sentence is أم زينب مريضة أم زينب مريضة is the mother of Zainab is sick. طيب. So instead of a noun, use the pronoun. نعم.
Here, how will I use it in أمية or here?
أمها.
أمها.
تمام. هي she and her mother. You want to say is her mother sick? نعم. أمها مريضة. أحسنتي. نعم. أمها مريضة. تمام. أقول مثلا هي زينب. She is زينب. أمها مريضة. Is her mother sick? Good job. Don't worry. We are just practicing now. طيب. Now let me ask one from أختي صليحة. نعم. صليحة, from you my sentence is تمام. نعم. أمعلمة البنات راقية. أمعلمة البنات. Instead of بنات, bring the pronoun. أمعلمة البنات.
Ma'am, what does the sentence mean? The teacher of the girls is from Iraq. Does that mean this?
نعم صح. نعم.
Okay, just give me a minute.
Yeah, sure, please. أمعلمة البنات عراقية.
Okay. معلماتهما عراقية.
لا, هما is for two, so it's
sorry.
بنات.
معلماتهم عراقية.
هن. معلمة.
Sorry, yeah, sorry, I was looking at the wrong one. Yeah, معلماتهن. Okay,
نعم.
عراقية.
أحسنتي. So the متصل, ضمير متصل needs to connect. أمعلمتهن عراقية. أحسنتي يا صليحة. Now let me ask one from اسمه عطية. نعم. عطية, your sentence is نعم. أأنت ابنة خال عائشة؟ نعم. أأنت ابنة خال عائشة؟ Instead of عائشة, you need to bring pronoun.
Ma'am, what does it mean? Means your...
Yeah, come on. Atiyah, translate it. أأنت?
Your son? No, your...
أأنت, are you? Yeah. أأنت, are you ابنة? Are you a daughter?
Okay, are you a
خالي
daughter
عائشة.
of Auntie Aisha?
خالي عائشة. لا, خال يعني uncle. طيب.
Uncle, okay.
يعني Aisha's uncle. Are you the daughter of Aisha? Uncle. خال يعني brother of mother. تمام.
Okay.
He is خال. نعم. خال وخالة. نعم. أأنت ابنة خال عائشة؟
Okay. أنت ابنة خالي عائشة
أحسنتي. Instead of عائشة, خالها. ما شاء الله. أأنت ابنة خالها? Are you the daughter of her uncle? تمام. Are you the daughter of her uncle? Let me ask one more from Atiyah. نعم. So it is gonna be خالها. Yeah. I can ask one more. Just a moment. Okay. Yeah. So the sentence is really helping improving your vocabulary also. نعم. I will repeat this one. Yeah, come on. ما اسمك? عطية, do this one.
ابن أم زيد زكية means the daughter of Ummi. Ummi is the uncle.
أحسنتي. is the opposite of خال. خال, brother of
dad's
mother.
brother.
Dad's brother. Perfect now.
ابنة عم زيد زكية. Okay. ابنة عمها عمي.
لا زيد.
زكية.
نعم. ابنة. أحسنتي. عمه. ابنة عمه زكية. His uncle's daughter is intelligent. عمه. When we called Aisha, we said ha, خالها. And for Zaid, you are using he. طيب, I want to tell you something here, my dear students. The pronoun you study was who. And this letter can change haraka. It can become ha, fatha, and it can contain kasra. How? It can follow the haraka of the previous word. So ammi has a kasra. That's why just for the easiness of on your tongue, ammihi. If I say ammihu or ammiha, it's hard. So that's why ha follow the letter of haraka previous. Ammihi, ammahu, ammuhu. Tamam? Like this way. Good job. Atiyya. Now I can ask from Sidra. أختي Sidra, are you ready? نعم. تمام. So ما اسمك يا صالحة. نعم, you can go ahead. وجنة الطفلة حمراوان.
Ma'am, what does it mean? Because I don't know the meaning of Vajnata and Hamrawan.
نعم, وجنة is your cheek. It's the synonym of خد. خد أو وجنة يعني cheeks.
Okay.
تمام. And حمراء comes from أحمر. Because we are talking, it's حمراء, but it's the dual form of حمراء. حمراوان. نعم. تمام.
Okay, give me a minute.
Yeah, please. You want to say her cheeks are red. Her cheeks are red.
وجنتها.
وجنتها حمروان.
ما شاء الله. وجنتاها حمروان. أحسنتي. And using of pronoun, make your speech smarter, make it shorter. وجنتاها حمروان. Her cheeks are red. Good job. Now it's نعم. One more from Saliha. نعم. Right. So I have a good number of exercises for you. I hope so you will do it. And so we can go to the next topic, because I think Dhamair is easy for you. If you can do in the next class, we can start a new topic, but don't worry, we will know, we are not in rush. If you can find that we need to do together, we will do it. أختي صالحة, do this one. الساعة زينب ثمينة. الساعة زينب ثمينة.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of Samina?
ثمينة is expensive, just like you say غالي. هذا غالي, هذا ثمين. It's expensive.
Zainab has an expensive watch. Okay.
نعم. Is the Zainab's watch expensive? نعم.
Okay. أساعتها ثمينة.
أحسنتي. أساعتها ثمينة. طيب, I can ask one from. طيب. Yeah, it's from ما اسمك يا أختي. أختي فرزانة.
Yes, ma'am.
طيب. أين شنط الطلاب؟ أين شنط الطلاب؟
شنط is bag.
أحسنتي. It's the plural of شنطة.
Okay.
تمام. شنطة and the plural is شنط. أين شنط الطلاب؟
It will be هم. أين شنتهم.
MashaAllah. Come on, say it confidently, Farzana.
Okay. أين
أين
شنتهم.
أين شنطهم? Good job. أين شنطهم? Where are their bags? أين شنطهم? تمام. Let me ask one more from you.
Yeah.
Okay. طيب. تمام. طيب. تمام. هذا الثامن. طيب. عمو خديجة. عمو خديجة غني.
خديجة uncle.
نعم. عمو خديجة غني. طيب. Now you need to say her uncle is rich.
أمها غني.
تمام. عمها غني. Perfect. ما شاء الله. طيب. تمام. So we have some more exercises here. I need to tell you this thing. طيب. ما شاء الله, you people are doing great. I have something to share with you, my dear students. That's about this pronoun yeah. For example, when you add yeah, مثلا my book, you say كتابي. تمام. And when you are connecting this with the other word, you can put فتحة on it. كتابي الجديد. أين كتابي الجديد? Especially when you are speaking. تمام. Or you are reading. Where is my new book? So if after yeah you found ألف واللام, you can connect the yeah with next. أين كتابي الجديد? All right. مثلا people say ديني الإسلام. ديني, the word is my religion is Islam. ديني الإسلام. So if I join them, I'm gonna say ديني الإسلام. طيب, this is one thing I want to tell you about this yeah. You can connect it. All right. There is another thing about it, my dear students. For dual, you say يد. يد is hand. Two hands, يدان. My two hands becomes يدي. طيب. My two hands, يدي. So I think in Quran it is طيب بين يديه. نعم. بين يديه. In front of him. يعني it's a hidden meaning. In front of his hand, definitely he don't has hands. In front of him. طيب. يديه. So alif and noon is gonna delete. This is what I'm trying to say. When you are having dual and you want to add with this yeah, for example, my two books. See, كتاب. Two books. كتابان. My two books. It will becomes كتابايا. Noon is gonna delete. كتابايا. طيب. طيب. And أبوايا. Our two fathers. أبوايا. مثلا. Okay. I have to show you some إعراب. For example, I want to say two fathers are good. أبوا. My two fathers. مثلا. أبوايا مؤمنان. أبوايا. طيب. أو صالحان. طيب. أو غنيان. أبوايا. طيب. I served the two fathers. خدمت. Look it very closely. أبوية. It becomes أبوية. So in real, without yeah, it was أبوين. أبوان. أبوين. When it is in the حالة of فتحة or كسرة. أبوين. So noon is gonna delete it, just like يدين. أبوين. طيب. That's it. Inshallah, we will do more practice on it if it is required. Let me see, enough time. Okay, not very much. There is some words I want to ask. طيب أختي ما اسمك؟ نعم أختي عطية. تمام. مركب. Let me ask you something. نعم. طيب. Yeah, come on. عطية, you need to use the pronoun. السماء صافية. The sky is clear. السماء صافية. So instead of سماء, use the pronoun.
هو.
Close, but it should be هي. Why?
Okay.
السماء is feminine. طيب.
Okay.
السماء, yeah, it is ending with alif and hamza. It is a feminine and it's the natural resources. Yeah, in Quran you have إذا السماء انشقت and not انشق. تمام. السماء is the feminine. Why? Because it's a natural resources. طيب. Now let me ask from صليحة. صليحة, الحمار بطيء. الحمار بطيء means slow. بطيء. نعم.
هو بطيء.
أحسنتي. هو بطيء. تمام. نعم. أختي فرزانة, الخياطة ماهرة. الخياطة ماهرة. نعم.
الخياطة female ماهرة.
نعم. صح.
هو هي ماهرة.
أحسنتي. هي ماهرة. هي ماهرة. So the lesson is really easy, my dear students. There is, you just need to memorize it. No understanding in this. Only you need to practice a lot and a lot. So your mind and tongue go familiar with it. You can, without hesitation, you can say هو, هي, أنت, أنتم, وهكذا. طيب. So inshallah, I'm sending you the exercises. Do it. And you can ask me any question if you have. See you in the next class. مع السلامة.
مع
إلى
السلامة.
اللقاء. وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خير.
وجزاكم الله.